Ryan Taylor Natural Remedies presents the real causes of tonsil stones and how to treat them permanently. First of all, I'll explain what tonsil stones are. The tonsils are two oval-shaped pads in the back of your throat, which help to block bacteria and germs from entering your body. These tonsils have lots of crevices, tunnels and pits, which we call crypts. These spaces often get clogged up with germs that start to stick together in little clumps. You see, these clumps of microbes start to build a shield around themselves called a biofilm to protect them against your immune system. Basically, this is like a small calcium coating that becomes hardened and forms a tonsil stone in the back of your throat. Tonsil stones usually occur after a bout of tonsillitis or after taking antibiotic drugs, which can weaken your immune system. They can also flare up when you consume too much dairy or sugar because they cause a buildup of mucus in the throat. Now let's take a look at some of the symptoms. You'll notice white or yellowish coloured stones if you look at your tonsils in the mirror. They can vary in size between 1 millimeter and 1 centimeter, but may sometimes appear black if they have been there for many months. Your breath may smell like rotten eggs because the microbes inside the little biofilm shells give off a sulfur gas that has an unpleasant smell. Sometimes the stones can also cause a metallic taste in the mouth, and they can cause a sore throat that comes back again and again throughout the year. Treatment options. Now we'll take a look at 5 simple remedies that you can use to get rid of tonsil stones and also prevent them from returning in the future. Just my usual reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Remedy number 1, Oregano Oil. Start taking 2 to 3 capsules of wild oregano oil on a daily basis. This is a powerful natural remedy which helps to break up the little biofilm around the tonsil stones and kill the harmful microbes within them. You can also use oregano oil in a neti pot with water to rinse your sinuses if you have chronic sinus infections. Remedy 2 is manual removal. Some tonsil stones are very stubborn and may need to be removed manually. You can use a waterpik. This is a device that you can use to gently shoot water at your tonsils to loosen the stones so that they fall out. Try not to swallow the stones, however, as they may upset your stomach. If you prefer, ask your ear, nose and throat doctor to remove them. Remedy number 3, eat garlic. Garlic is nature's antibiotic, which helps to kill off any harmful microbes or viruses without damaging your friendly bacteria. Eating 1 to 2 cloves per day raw can help break up the calcium shell around the tonsil stones. Garlic also boosts your immunity to pathogens and infections. Remedy 4, oral hygiene. If you consume lots of sugary foods or refined carbohydrates, these may be feeding the germs in your tonsils, making the stones come back again and again. It's important to cut out sugar from the diet and keep your mouth and throat clean by brushing your teeth and gargling with salt water every night before you sleep. Remedy 5, quit dairy. Finally, if you have tonsil stones for months or even years, then it's highly recommended to temporarily stop consuming dairy, like milk, cheese and yogurt, whilst you use the other remedies in this video. Dairy causes a buildup of mucus in the throat, which can make it hard to treat the underlying cause of tonsil stones. As you can see, tonsil stones are caused by harmful germs which cluster together in the crypts of the tonsils and build a little calcium shield around themselves. These microbes build the shell so that they can survive and protect themselves against your immune system. If you suffered with this problem long term, then try out the 5 remedies in this video and see how well they work for you. This is a problem that I personally suffered with for many years, but after using these tips, no longer have any tonsil stones whatsoever. I also recommend cleaning up your diet by eating lots of anti-inflammatory foods like extra virgin olive oil, avocados, whole lemons, apple cider vinegar and leafy green vegetables. These foods will help to bring down the inflammation in your throat whilst you use these remedies. To learn more about oral health and natural remedies, go ahead and tap on this video on the screen now. Thank you for watching, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.